James, thank you very much for the invitation to the MACH 2020 press launch. A fabulous understanding of what's going on at MACH and how many stands are available. But for any visitors, what is the main appeal to the show? Why should they actually come to MACH 2020?
So we brand the event for inspiring, innovating and connecting people. And for us, it's really important that we live up to that name. You know, we are the UK national show for manufacturing and engineering. So in terms of inspiring, we do that twofold. So we have an education development zone where we bring 3,000 students through, and that's very much about encouraging the next generation of engineers into the industry. We also have a seminar program that sits alongside, and a lot of those presentations are about the latest technologies, the latest techniques, and how people are applying those. So again, there's some real inspirational talks we have through there. In terms of innovating, we're seeing a lot more technology coming to the show. Now EMO's over, we're starting to see people with their stand plans, and we're starting to see the tech that they're bringing. And that for us is really important. And we've also linked up again with the AMRC we've done previously, but also with the AFRC and the MTC and the High Value Manufacturing Catapult. And we are co-sponsoring some of those exhibits to really talk about the latest innovations in the technology that are available.
One thing we really noticed at EMO actually is the word automation. You know, that's a real big key. Do you think that that's going to play a big part in MACH 2020 on the exhibitor side?
Yeah, massively. I mean, we have an automation zone where we've got a lot of robotics and automation already, but we're seeing I4 all the way through. I know we said this with 2018, but it's the same with 20. There's no point in us having a specific I4 zone because it's through the show. You know, when we talk about connecting, we're not just talking about connecting people to people in terms of business, but actually the machinery that's connected and the data that's coming off of it is huge. And as I say, you'll see that throughout the show.
One thing I picked up in your presentation is that the number of engineers that actually visit, not just for one day, but maybe 2 or 3.
Yeah, we've seen a huge growth. I mean, last year in particular, people were turning up with real life problems and going, well, where can I find the solutions to these? And actually, because the show is so big, they're not just coming in and seeing 1 or 2 companies, they are taking the time to go around. So to that end, we've got discounted hotel rates on our website. You know, your passes are valid for multiple days, but we see a huge number of revisits, yeah.
Well, one thing that you've announced today as well is the registration zone is actually open as well. So could you tell us how engineers can connect on that and actually get registered for the show?
Yeah, so if you go to machexhibition.com, there is a registration link. You can click in there, put all your details in. We will then keep you up to date with all this latest show information. We'll make sure that your badge is emailed out to you and posted out to you before the show, and you can start planning your day. But also on there's a module whereby you can connect with exhibitors. So once you've registered, you can go find the exhibitor you want to meet, and you can actually set up meetings with them through the MACH website.
And finally, for those diary dates, what dates are the show?
So MACH's open from the 20th to the 24th of April next year at the NEC.